All right, so let's think about assigning a stage based on mean length of utterance, MLU. Now this isn't necessarily words per utterance, but mean length of utterance, what are we counting? We're counting morphemes, okay? We're counting morphemes. And an example that I think is an important one to realize, so take the sentence, she eats cookies, I eat pizza. How many words are in those two sentences? She eats cookies, I eat pizza. There's 3 each. Do they have the same number of morphemes in them? No. This one has 5 in it, doesn't it? Because you have the she, you have the eats, which has that third person singular present tense marker, which we'll talk about, and the bound plural marker in there. So this is more complex in terms of modulation of meaning than something like I eat pizza. Okay? So 2 sentences could have the same number of words, but different numbers of morphemes. So this is really what we want to capture when we're talking about mean length of utterance. So what is the MLU? Well, the MLU is essentially a fraction. It's a ratio. What is it a ratio between? The total number of morphemes in a transcript divided by the total number of utterances. Okay? So you should directly calculate MLU. You shouldn't give us a range. MLU is between 1 and 2. You should be able to provide us with a very specific number. Okay? You simplify and don't keep it in fraction form. Simplify it. Divide the numerator by the denominator, and you get, let's say, 2.37, right? And an MLU of 2.37, where would that fall? We'd go back here and see an MLU of 2.37 would fall within stage 2. Okay, so you want to be really explicit in terms of assigning an MLU for your preschool report specifically, and if we were to give you a transcript, let's say, on the midterm. Now,